Wednesday and I really wanted to vlog today and kind of take you along with whatever I'm doing. I actually really wanted to try some things that I saw from TikTok, and I've been kind of seeing people do vlogs like this and I always think they're fun. I'm gonna be making whipped coffee. I've actually done it a lot. I like wanted to find the best way to make it before I like did it on camera for you guys, and after trying to hand whisk it, I've used a frother. That did not work. Do not do that. And a stand mixer. My favorite is the stand mixer, so I'm definitely gonna make that for you guys in the vlog and show you how I make it. And then I also, oh, there's an alarm. I also bought a sweatshirt and pair of sweatpants that I really wanted to do the bleach dye thing, and I'm actually really excited about that because I've never done that before. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do those today and then just take you along. I have a test that I need to do today. I have work, but first things first, it's like really early. It's like 7, so I'm gonna get some breakfast and then I'm gonna make whipped coffee later when more of my family is awake, because I just feel like that's evil to use the stand mixer at like 7 in the morning. It's pretty loud. Is this what you want?
I know. It's very exciting. What's up? There. Thanks. Thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna quick do my skincare. I just washed my face with my Good Molecules cleanser, which I showed in my last vlog and I've showed in a lot of videos, so I didn't think it was necessary to film that. But now I'm gonna use my toner from Good Molecules. This is their niacinamide brightening toner. I love this stuff. And I find that this brand works really well with me using my epidural from the dermatologist. Like, it doesn't make my skin any more sensitive. It doesn't burn because my skin is kind of sensitive from that retinoid, but it does do a good job at keeping my skin not flaky and hydrated, and also it doesn't clog my pores. It does not make me break out at all. I love it. So something I haven't tried actually from Good Molecules yet is this oil. This is the squalene oil or squalene oil. Don't really know how you say it. It's a lightweight facial oil that softens, seals in moisture, and regulates your skin's natural oil balance. So it's made for people who get acne. It's made for people who overproduce oils and their pores get clogged, stuff like that. This is the one product they sent me that I hadn't tried yet, but I literally love all of the other products they sent me, so I'm gonna try this. I'm always a little hesitant to try oils, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'll just take 3 drops because I don't know how much or how little. And then I'm just gonna press it in. I always see people doing this. I don't know if this is like what you should be doing or... Okay, I think 3 was a little much, so I'm gonna put the rest on my hands. And then I'm just gonna let this sit on my face. I'm not gonna put on my other moisturizer just yet because I'm gonna see how hydrated this makes me, and then after it sits on my face for a little bit, then I'll decide if I want to put that priming moisturizer over top of it. And it feels like it absorbed pretty quickly, honestly. But yeah, now that my skincare is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some laundry in. I actually have a lot of laundry, so I'm gonna do that, and then I need to work on some homework. I need to study a little bit because I have a test later today in finance, and then after that I'm gonna work, take my test, do some more homework I guess, and then I don't know, we'll just see where the day takes us. Now I'm actually going to study, and I have a test in my finance class today, and 60 to 70% of the test is like basically math problems, so that is what I'm gonna really study. That's usually what I have the hardest time with, so I'm gonna go over 3 different sections of problems. That's like 15 problems. That shouldn't be too bad. Okay, I am now taking a homework intermission to make some whipped coffee.
So I'm going to show you guys how I make my whipped coffee. This is what you see all over TikTok, but basically you just want to have some instant coffee. I like the Nescafe Ultra Dark, and then sugar and hot water. I just use mine out of the Keurig because it's the easiest. So the key to this is to use equal ratios. So I'm using about 5 tablespoons of ground coffee, but if you're making only like a single serving, just use 1 tablespoon. So I'm using 5 tablespoons of the coffee, 5 tablespoons of the sugar, and then 5 tablespoons of the water. You always just want to make sure, however little or much you're making, that you have equal ratios. And then I just started my stand mixer. This is my favorite and easiest way to make it because it takes like no time and I don't have to hand whisk it. But you basically want to mix it, if you're hand whisking it or using a mixer, until it looks like peanut butter and it's kind of the consistency of like a whipped peanut butter. Then you're just going to fill a cup with ice and some almond milk or any milk of your choice. I prefer almond milk. And spoon some onto the top of your milk. And it tastes so good, you guys. Ugh, I love it. Put less if you want less strong coffee, more if you want a really, really strong brew. But yeah, basically you just put some on top and then you're gonna mix it up before you drink it. But it looks so freaking pretty and it actually tastes really good. And this is optional, but you can add a splash of creamer, and I just use the Almond Breeze unsweetened almond milk creamer, and it literally tastes so good.
So that is how you make whipped coffee. It's super good. I don't know how to explain the taste. Like, it just tastes like really, really creamy. It almost just tastes like an iced latte in my opinion, and I really like it. I don't know, might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I did figure out, like I told you guys earlier, that you can save the whipped coffee mixture for like 3 days. It lasts about 3 days until it starts getting liquidy again in the fridge. So I made enough for me and my sister for a few days so we could have it. And then I grabbed a snack because I'm really hungry. This is the Nature's Bakery Fig Bar. These are really, really good. And if I am gonna have like carby snacks like this, I always do it in the beginning of the day so it gives me energy. But I love these things. They're so good. So I'm gonna have this and drink my coffee, and then I really need to get ready and then start working for the day. I am done getting ready for the day. I also wanted to update you guys on the lash serum I've been using. Look how crazy long my eyelashes are. I've noticed such a big difference since using the Clenlash Lash Serum by Clendor. Literally, they look so long. I don't notice until I put mascara on because I have really blonde eyelashes, but I've only been using it for 2 weeks and they look incredible. So I'm definitely gonna link it down below. It's not sponsored. I actually just genuinely love it and it worked so well. I'm shook. So now it is noon. It is time for me to get started on my work for the day. Okay, I just got done with dinner. It was literally so good, but now I am at my desk and I'm getting ready to take my test. I have my heated blanket on my lap because I'm literally freezing. I'm gonna go ahead, take this test, and then it's craft time. I'm so excited to freaking make those sweats. So I'm finally done with my test. It is like 8 o'clock. It took me almost 2 hours to do, but I got a 70, which is a better grade than last time, so I will take it. I have a decent grade in the class, so I don't mind at all. And I'm just happy that that test is done. I am gonna go ahead and make my bleach dye sweats. So I have my sweatshirt. I have to go get my sweatpants, but I don't have like rubber bands, so I'm just gonna use these old hair ties. I don't use these ones anymore, so that should do. Okay, my parents are watching a movie, so sorry if you can hear that, but I have my pants and my top, and supposedly from what I've seen, you're supposed to get them a little bit wet, so when you twist them to like get it in the form to do the bleach dye, they like twist better and you can like do it easier. I don't know. I'm gonna get these wet in the tub right here and then twist them. That's how you get like the cool design. Like that's how you do tie-dye too. And I'll make sure to show you guys how I do it, but I need to get these a little bit damp. Okay, so I'm on the bathroom floor. I thought this would probably be the easiest way to do this, but I'm gonna twist it like tie-dye. So I think I'm gonna go like right here. Just start twisting it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my hair ties and just put it over it. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. It's nice and secure, and that's probably as good as it's gonna get. So that is the top done, and then for the pants, I was watching Sarah Elizabeth's video on how she did this, and she kind of like scrunched up her pants like this. I don't know, I've literally never done this before, so we'll see how it turns out. So I guess this is what we're gonna go with for the pants. And I'm gonna go get my bleach, and I think I'm gonna do this in the tub. That way I can just wash it down the drain when I'm done. Okay, so I saw a variety of people using different types of bleach for this bleach dye kind of DIY. And I'm gonna use this because this is what I had that like we haven't opened yet. And we didn't have any of the spray kind, which is what Sarah used. But this should work just fine. It's the same amount of bleach. It's just like the squirt, like toilet bowl cleaner kind. So I'm gonna use this for my bleach. I'll stick them in my tub and start squirting them with bleach. I don't know why, I'm kind of nervous, but I am. Okay. I'm just gonna use this. Oh, look, you can already see it doing something. Okay. Then I'm just gonna flip it over and get the other side. It's real nice and saturated. Ooh, flip it back over. Yeah, you can literally already see it doing something. It's so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit in the bathtub for about 10-15 minutes. This is so cool. Yeah, oh my gosh. It's literally only been a few minutes since I did this. I feel like this is gonna turn out better than I expect it to. Okay, in the meantime, while that is doing what it needs to do, I'm actually going to change and take off my makeup and do all of that stuff. So my sweatsuit outfit looks like it's about done, or about like where I want it to be. So I'm gonna take it out, take off the rubber bands, and throw it in the washing machine. Okay, I'm just finishing off the night with the rest of my skincare. Y'all know that I've been using this retinol from the dermatologist. It is the only thing that has really helped my skin in the last year. I'm on day like 2 of using it this week because I only use it like 4 days. And I don't usually use it like 4 days in a row. And I can already tell my skin's kind of sensitive. I just shared on my stories tonight my nightly ritual, which I've been sharing with you guys on my YouTube videos. But lately I've really been trying to keep up with my skincare, and I'm taking all of this time at home as an opportunity to really love myself and continue to develop, you know, my self-confidence and everything like that, and just take care of my mind and my body. So that's what I've been doing, just using my lash serum. This stuff is amazing and I will continue to use it. My eyelashes look crazy long. I don't know when I should stop using this. If you guys have ever used lash serums, let me know. And then you know what it is. I am just gonna take my CBD oil from Kadara. I love them. I love this. And then I've been only taking 1 of these gummies instead of 2 since I do take my CBD. And I think 1 is enough and it doesn't make me groggy. And also I don't get weird dreams when I take 1. If I take 2, I always have the weirdest dreams ever. So it is obviously now the end of the night and I am finally in bed. I am going to FaceTime JT, watch The Mentalist, play Animal Crossing. What is new? I'm actually having so much fun with Animal Crossing. I just got a bigger house, so now I have 2 rooms. And that's where I'm at. I cannot catch fish. I'm the worst at fishing. I am going to keep vlogging because I want to show you the finished look of the sweatpants in the morning after they're done being washed. It's too late now, for me at least. It's like 9:30 and I just want to be in bed and go to sleep. But I will see you in the morning.
Tomorrow.
Okay, I'm high-key so impressed with myself. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. I had to put my studio lights up for this so you guys could just really take it in because it turned out so good. And I love that I picked the heather gray color for my sweats instead of black because the bleach dye came out more like a peach, which I think is way cuter than like super orange. Wow, it looks so good. I would just like to say that I feel like I've outdone myself. I love the way the pants came out. And I just love that it's like a peach color. The back looks really, really good too. So cute. Like literally, look at the arms. Wow, I'm very impressed with myself. And I kind of want to do more colors, so let me know down below what color I should do next because I really want to do another one. I am obsessed.